Hello everyone, let's learn how to enable dark mode on TikTok. If you're tired of the bright screen and want a more comfortable viewing experience, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to switch on TikTok's dark mode, so you can scroll through your favorite content with ease during the night or in low light settings. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open TikTok app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, go on your profile by tapping on little man icon in bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the side menu, and click on Last Option Settings and Privacy. Next, scroll down to find Display option, and when you find, open it. Now you are come on dark mode section and you need to click on dark option to enable dark mode. So when you click, you are turn on dark mode, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.